Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to our first virtual class. I hope you're doing great. You're staying in your house. All right. So let's not waste any time and let's start. Okay. Today we're going to start with Unit 10. Okay. As you can see by the title, we're going to talk about fossils. Okay. Now I want you to look at the picture. Yes, that is in both page 96 and 97. And I want you to describe what the man is wearing. I want you to describe what the man is doing. And also, you can describe the physical appearance. Yes. So basically, I want you to describe, yes, what the people are doing, how they look, etc., etc. Okay. Now, since we don't have a partner, you're going to have to imagine that you have somebody next to you that you are talking to. Yes. So you can call it your imaginary friend if you want, but you're going to have to pretend you're talking to somebody else. Yes. Or you can talk to your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister. Yes. Even your cat. As the important thing is that you are practicing your speaking. You don't have to write down the answers. Pause the video if you need more time. And let's continue. Now, let's go to exercise A. Okay. A, B, both A and B have audios, but today we won't be using the audios, okay? Let's see. It says number the pictures in the order you hear them. I'm not going to put the audio, I'm going to put the script. So you are going to have to read. But first, let's look at the pictures. And let's practice the pronunciation because remember, pronunciation is very important. So repeat after me. Footprints. 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 Next word. Mommy. Mummy. Mummy. Okay? Not mom. Okay? Mummy. Okay? Next. Skeleton. Repeat. Skeleton. Skeleton. Next. Fossil. Fossil. All right, excellent. Now, I'm going to put the script. Yes, I'm going to put the script and pause the video so you can have time to read the text. When you're finished, we're going to go back to exercise A and we're going to number the pictures in the correct order that you read them. Okay? So if you're ready, let's continue. If you're not, you can go back. So let's see. Repeat. Footprints. What number did you put for footprints? All right. If you put number 2, then you are correct. Let's go to the next one. Repeat. Mommy. Mommy. What number did you put for mummy? 3. If you put correct, if you put number 3, then you are correct. All right. Next, repeat. Skeleton. Skeleton. What number did you put? If you put number 1, then excellent. You are correct. And finally, let's go to fossil. Repeat. Fossil. If you put number 4, then you are correct. Okay? If you got all 4 of them correct, then excellent. You're an excellent reader. Okay? If you got 3, good job. If you got less than that, then you need to practice reading more carefully, okay? But don't worry, you'll get it next time. Okay, let's go to the next exercise. Exercise B, okay? Before we read the script, let's practice the pronunciation. Remember, pronunciation is very, very important. Okay? Because if you don't know how to say the right word, or if you don't know how to say it, the other person's not going to understand you. Okay? Let's see. Number 1, repeat after me. The Sahara. Yes, the Sahara. Hopefully you have heard about this in geography class. Number 2, Germany. Germany. Number 3, Kenya. Kenya. Number 4, Egypt. Okay. Now, all of these, what do they have in common? Yes, they're all places. Excellent. Okay. Now, let's go to the letters. Letter A. Repeat after me. Researchers have found the skeleton of a giant dinosaur. Okay. Letter B. Archaeologists have discovered the footprints of an early human. Remember, you can pause the video and go back, yes, and you can practice your pronunciation over and over again. All right, letter C. Scientists have identified the mummy of a pharaoh. Excellent. Letter D. An explorer has unearthed the fossil of a huge crocodile. Yes? All right, guys. Now, before we read the script, it is very important that you understand what you are reading. So, I want you to look using your dictionary or the computer. I want you to investigate the definition of some words of exercise B. Yes? The words you're going to investigate are researchers. Okay? Researchers. In letter B, the word you're going to investigate is footprints. Footprints. Letter C, you're going to investigate pharaoh. And for letter D, you're going to investigate the word unearth. All right? So I'm trusting you that you are going to look for the definition in your dictionary or in the computer. Okay? Now, let's look at the script. Remember, for this activity, you have to match the places with a correct statement. All right? So let's look at the script. Remember, you can pause the video whenever you want. Yes, so you can have time to read the script. Okay? I'm going to leave it there for a second. Pause the video so you can read and you can have all the time in the world. Okay? Excellent. Now let's continue. So let's look at the answers for exercise B. Number 1, it says, an explorer has unearthed the fossil of a huge crocodile. What word did you put? The Sahara. Excellent. So if you put the Sahara, you are correct. Number 2, researchers have found the skeleton of a giant dinosaur. If you put Germany, you are correct. Remember, Germany is Alemania. Okay, number 3. Archaeologists have discovered the footprints of an early human. Archaeologists have discovered the footprints of an early human. What was the correct answer? Kenya. Okay, so early human was found in Kenya. In fact, it is said that the first people, yes, originate from Africa. But anyway, let's continue. Egypt. For number 4, the correct answer was Egypt. Scientists have identified the mummy of Pharaoh. So I think this one was pretty easy because we have the clue, the mummy, unless you thought it was mom. And we have the other clue, that's Pharaoh, which is Sounds very similar to Spanish. Okay. All right. If you got all four of them correct, then excellent. Congrats. If you got three correct, good job. If you got less than that, remember, you need to read carefully and you need to, if you don't understand a word, you need to investigate it using a dictionary or the internet. Okay? Let's continue. Now, with the final exercise, exercise C. It says, work with a partner. Look at the bold words in B. Yes, the bold words are the words in black. Okay, for example, giant dinosaur, early human, pharaoh, huge crocodile. Okay, do you know what they are? If you don't know what they are, then you can look in the internet or in your dictionary. All right. Now, which story in exercise B are you most interested in? Did you like A, the researchers that found the skeleton of a giant dinosaur? Or B, the archaeologists that discovered early humans? Or C, scientists that have identified the mummy of a pharaoh? That is my favorite. Yes, because since I was a small child, I loved reading about ancient Egypt. All right. Or letter D, an explorer has unearthed the fossil of a huge crocodile. Now, remember, with your imaginary friend, tell him which story were you most interested in. Okay? All right, guys. Excellent job. In the next video, we're going to work on the next page, okay? So, good job in this exercise. Keep up the good work, and I'll see you in a few.